Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about my hair treatment, scalp treatment by Nana. It is a natural treatment that I have bought for my dandruff scalp and for my dryness of my scalp. So if you want to see how it works on my scalp, please stick with me in this video. First of all, I want to say that my scalp it is dry with some flakes and dandruff sometimes, and I struggle to find the right product for my hair, for my type of hair. So recently I have bought this treatment. It is a natural treatment that it is for healthy root and promote hair growth, but for my type of hair didn't work. It is a no for me because even this has a natural ingredient for my type of scalp didn't work, and I have been using it for the last I guess 1.5 months. I've been using guess one time per week, so 3 or 4 times per month. I didn't use it so much product. It is very less you can put on your scalp. Like you see, I just use it half of the product, but it didn't work. First of all, it has wild mint oil, rose water and honey, but it has this type of consistency. The smell is very nice. It has a mint scent that you can feel very refreshing and good for your mood also. But in the last period I noticed that my scalp produces more dryness and more flaky itchiness type of problem. So like I told you, for my scalp it isn't good. I struggle with some flakiness and dryness. I didn't know if you see very well, but I have really problem with the dandruff and the flakiness on my scalp. So I want to bleach my hair again, and I was struggling with my scalp and my hair grow. Like you see, I have many gray roots because I want to grow my hair faster and to have a nice healthy hair when I will go to bleach my hair. So this type of treatment didn't work for me. Even this has natural ingredient, like I was told you in a previous video, maybe 4 or 5 months ago. Not all the hair oils and the hair treatment and the hair mask are good for our hair, even that they are natural and didn't have so many chemicals and bad stuff in them. In the last period, I noticed that I have great result with professional hair care, like Joico 4-step treatment. I insert in the comment section the link of the video where I was told you about their product. I was very pleased. I just finished the clarifying shampoo from them and deep treatment, I guess step 3, and now I have only the step 2, the cuticle sealer, and the step 4, the hydrator. I will use it like this, and I want to see even without the shampoo and the deep treatment how they will work on my hair. Hopefully you will find interesting this video. Please tell me in the section of commentary what scalp product you use and you were pleased with them for dryness, for dandruff, and for itchy scalp. Till my next video, bye bye guys, and have a nice day.